Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Today I am going to show you how to make liquefied pattern using Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. First we are going to make an artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Our artboard size will be 1280 and 1024. First take a line about the width of our artboard, make it visible enough for us to work with. I will make it 25. Then go to the effect panel while the line is selected. Use distort and transform and go to the zigzag. Give it 25. Segments will be 15. Give it round corner. Okay. While the line is selected, go to object and make expand appearance. Again select it and give expand appearance again. Then go to the distort and transform panel again. Select transform. Give it 50. Keep the preview button on. With 25 copies. Give it 15. Make the line a bit wider. It should be good enough for us to work with. Then go to the Adobe Photoshop. Take a same size of an artboard. Create. Copy our previous design and paste it here. Okay. Before pasting it, make the size a little bigger before starting to work. Then convert the layer to smart object. Go to filter button and select Liquify. Then a panel of this kind will show. You can change the size of the brush as you want. Play around with the options as you like. Take 400. The sharpness is very low. I will give it 90. 100 if it works slow. Fiddle with the buttons. Play as much as you like. Press OK. you will get something like this. Depending on your work, then you can give it colors and anything you like. Go to blending options, gradient overlay, use any color or gradient you have from previous. I will make our previous gradient I showed on your previous video. Today I will use these colors. Okay, your design should show something like this. Thank you for watching my video. Until next video, please subscribe and click the notification icon for any new videos. Thank you.